Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Revolut Staking. Revolut is a popular financial app that allows users to manage their money, send and receive payments, and even invest in cryptocurrencies. Staking is a feature that enables users to earn interest on their cryptocurrency holdings by participating in the validation process of certain blockchain networks. To get started with Revolut staking, you need to have a Revolut account and a cryptocurrency balance. The first step is to open the Revolut app and navigate to the cryptocurrency section. From there, you can view the available staking options, which currently include Ethereum, Tezos, and Polkadot. Once you have selected the cryptocurrency you want to stake, you need to read and agree to the terms and conditions. It is essential to understand that staking involves locking your cryptocurrency for a certain period, during which you will not be able to sell or transfer it. The next step is to choose the staking period, which can range from a few days to several months or even years. The longer you stake, the higher the interest rate you will earn. However, keep in mind that you will not be able to access your cryptocurrency during this time. After selecting the staking period, you need to confirm the transaction. Revolut will then transfer your cryptocurrency to a staking pool, where it will be used to validate transactions on the blockchain. In return, you will earn a percentage of the block reward, which will be paid out to your Revolut account. The interest rates for staking on Revolut vary depending on the cryptocurrency and the staking period. For example, staking Ethereum for a year can earn you an interest rate of up to 4.5%. It is essential to note that the interest rates are subject to change and may fluctuate over time. To maximize your earnings, it is crucial to understand the concept of compounding. Compounding allows you to earn interest on your interest, which can significantly increase your returns over time. Revolut offers a compounding feature that automatically reinvests your staking rewards, allowing you to earn even more interest. In conclusion, Revolut staking is a great way to earn interest on your cryptocurrency holdings while supporting the security and validation of blockchain networks. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts, you can get started with Revolut staking and start earning passive income. Remember to always read the terms and conditions, choose a staking period that suits your needs, and take advantage of compounding to maximize your returns.